Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making this video to show you how you can actually transfer your coin from Binance to TrustWallet. Okay. Now in this case, it could be you wanting to transfer either your USDT, your BUSD, whichever coin, Litecoin, any coin you want to transfer to. Okay. I'm just going to show you the process of how to do it from Binance to Trust Wallet. Okay, so let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, so first and foremost, you need to go to your spot wallet. Okay, so I'm going to click on wallet down here. Okay, when I click on wallet, it's going to bring me to my spot wallet here. Okay, so right now I'm going to be transferring I think I should do BUSD. Okay, no, let me just do Litecoin. So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually transfer Litecoin. Now I'm using Litecoin, but mind you, you can use this same method to transfer any kind of coin at all. Any coin at all you want to transfer is the same process. Okay, so now we're going to be clicking on this withdraw here. Okay, we're going to click on withdraw here. Now when you click on withdraw, it's going to bring you to this interface, right? So you can see my Litecoin here, my BUSD. So I'm going to click on Litecoin here. Okay, then it's going to bring this option. It's going to show you send via crypto network or send via email, phone, ID. Make sure you click on this send via crypto network, this first one here. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. Then it's going to bring me to this interface. Just go ahead and click on this one. Is just to warn you about the risk in sending the wrong coin to the wrong network. Okay, so just click on got it. Right, so now you can see getting to this particular spot now, we are expected to put in our Trust Wallet Litecoin address here. That is the address that is going to be receiving the Litecoin that will be sending from Binance. We are expected to put it here. Okay, then we're going to choose the network here, put the amount here. Okay, so let's go to okay, now let's go to Trust Wallet and get our Litecoin address from Trust Wallet. Okay, so we're going to go to Trust Wallet now. Okay, so here we are on Trust Wallet. So on Trust Wallet now, I'm going to get my address, Litecoin address. Remember, I want to deposit Litecoin into this Trust Wallet account. Okay, so I'm going to click on Litecoin here. Okay, when you click on Litecoin, remember I want to receive from Binance. So we're going to click on receive here. Okay, so now it's going to give you the wallet address. You can either scan it or you just copy the address. This is the address, so you're going to copy it here. Okay, read what it says. It says send only Litecoin to this address. Sending any other coin may result in permanent loss. Okay, so make sure that you are sending only Litecoin. So we're going to copy this Litecoin address here. Okay, so I've copied it. So what we'll do now, let's go back to Binance. Okay, so here on Binance now, what we're going to be doing now is to impute our address. The address we just copied from Trust Wallet. So I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so you see automatically it chose Litecoin as the network that we'll be using to send. Okay, so here you're going to put in the amount of Litecoin that you want to send, right? So let's assume we want to send everything. We're just going to click on max here. Okay, let's click on max. Okay, so you see we are sending this amount of Litecoin, which is about 5.5 dollars worth of Litecoin. Now if you don't want to send everything, if you don't want to send max, all you're just going to do is this. You're just going to type in the amount you want to send in here. Let's say you want to send 0.001, okay, or 0.1, okay. You just choose any amount that you want to send, then you send in here. Okay, but in this case we're going to be sending everything, so we're going to click on max. Okay, when you click on max, it means you are sending every of the Litecoin you have in your Binance account. Okay, so click on max. Okay, then we'll go down here. Okay, this is the amount you'll be getting because of the transfer fee, right? You can see down here there's a transfer fee of 0.001 down here. Okay, there's a transfer fee of 0.001. Then you're going to click on withdraw. Okay, so we'll click on withdraw. It's going to bring us here. It's going to show you the details of everything that you'll be sending. Okay, so you're sending this amount, right? This is what I'm going to be getting in my Trust Wallet account. Okay, so all I'm just going to do now is just to click on confirm. Okay, so when I click on confirm now, it's going to ask me for my security password, right? Okay, let's hold on for it to load. Okay, so now what I'm expected to do now is just to put in my Google authenticator code here, put in my email verification here, okay, my phone code here, then I'm going to put in my email verification here. Okay, so let's get that done now. I'm going to paste it and I'm going to click on send. Okay, now after clicking on send, you can see you see withdrawal processing, right? So invariably what it's telling us now is that this amount that I've withdrawn, okay, has been is on the process of being sent to my Trust Wallet account. Okay, so as soon as the money arrives in my Trust Wallet account, I'm going to show you the deposit in my Trust Wallet account. Okay,
A few minutes later.
okay, so guys, you can see I just received the money in my Trust Wallet account. Okay, so you can see this is Litecoin, and you can see this is the money. This is the Litecoin I received here. Okay, let me click on it so that you can see it better. So you can see I received it just few moments after I sent it. I got it received in my Trust Wallet account. So that's how easy it is for you to actually send or transfer your fund from Binance to your Trust Wallet account. Remember, we did this example with Litecoin, but the same thing, the same process is applicable to either USDT, BUSD, BNB, whichever coin you'll be sending at all to Trust Wallet. Just go through that same process and you get it sent to your Trust Wallet without you having any issue of loss of funds. Okay, so I want to believe you got value from this video. Now if you got value from this video, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, like the video. Okay, and also remember to subscribe to my channel if you've not done that before now. Okay, I really appreciate you subscribing to my channel and liking this video. You take care of yourself and bye bye.